What's up, y'all? Here with an unboxing and quick look at this Aerotrooper boat. So I've been looking at this for over a year and I finally went ahead, pulled the trigger. I got one in-house. Now this is going to go great with my arrma fire team. That's going to be awesome the way I'm going to set this up. Because stay tuned, I'm going to create a trailer for this and I'm going to do it on a very, very low budget. Basically, I'm going to use kind of the shipping box for it and stuff like that. But I will create a trailer so my fire team can kind of pull this around. But I think this is going to look awesome with the guns and stuff on top and all that, with my fire team pulling this around. So this will be a great addition to that. So like I said, there's going to be a link in the description if you guys want to check this out, purchase one of these. And I've been looking at this for a very, very long minute. It's been over a year probably with it, but this is a 3 and 4S capable and it is an airboat. So I'm going to quit my yapping and we're going to crack this box open real quick. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. So let me go ahead. I'm going to pull this out real quick. We're going to take a quick look to see what all we get in here. All right, y'all, getting this out. This is going to be awesome. Now, this is a 25-inch airboat, and this can run 3 and 4S lipos. So what I did was I went ahead and I purchased a brand new 4S lipo from Speedtech RC because I want to have, I don't know, I'm kind of on this fetish of new lipos, new cars, etc., with it. But this thing looks good. It also comes with lights and stuff on it too as well. And some of the accessories are in the package and stuff to add like the machine gun and stuff on top for that. So matter of fact, here's the machine gun and stuff in here, and you get some accessories with it. I cannot wait to get this together and get this running. And then of course, excuse me, these are the stickers and stuff that come with it. So it's not like it's a lot of decals and stuff to put on there, and they are pre-cut, so that's going to be pretty good, and that's going to look really cool once I get these on here. And then this battery and stuff with that. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys some other stuff with this in case you're kind of curious. I got stuff sliding down with me. It does come with this S Tx2 radio, and this does come with AA's. I did see AA's in one of these phone boxes on it. So you do get 4 AA's. So you get everything you need to run it except for a battery and charger if you do need one. And like I said, this is 3 and 4S capable, and it does have lights. These are light buckets here on the front, and these are, you guys can see there, these are kind of movable. I'm not going to worry about it, so that one's pointing straight up. We'll just point that straight. So it's actually 6 lights because it comes with 2 lights up here. And to get to the battery, you're going to unscrew these here and you can get to it. Now this is, to me, a good deal for $249. Like I said, I'll leave a link below in the description, but I think this is going to be awesome to run. And that's kind of where your battery goes. Now this has an EC3 connector on it, and all my batteries have an EC5 connector. But I'm going to take this 4S out real quick, and this will mount in here. Turn this over. This will mount in here just like that. That's going to be a perfect fit. I'm going to change this connector out to an EC5. Hopefully I won't void the warranty, but I don't have any 3 and 4S lipos that are EC5, and they probably maybe want you to put a smaller lipo in here. I don't know, but that's giving you plenty of room, even if you wanted to use some slightly longer lipos, and probably larger too, because this will fit right on it perfectly. So that's going to be good. You guys see the servo that it comes with there. It's a S603 servo, which should be fine for what we're going to do with this, but I cannot wait to get this out and get this running. I've seen the RC Sailors had one, I think a year and a half or 2 years ago, and they ran their stuff. Now it's a loud boat, so probably when I do my videos, I will probably have the volume turned down and then just kind of talk over it. But this is going to be awesome, awesome, awesome. I don't think I have any batteries with EC3 connector. Let me check because I kind of want to turn these lights on and see what these look like. So I actually found a small battery with an EC3 connector I had soldered on a while back. But let's turn these lights on real quick. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that's going to be nice. That's going to be nice. So it's probably making a beep because I don't have the radio or anything hooked up to it, but oh man, that's going to be so awesome. And I don't know if you can, this is a 3-channel radio, to actually control the lights or not. I doubt it, but we'll see how that's hooked up in there. And then of course your radio has the basic trims on it. It's got your, you guys can see there, it's a little bit blurry today. Not sure why, but you guys can see there that it does have the different throttles, 50, 75, and 100% on there. And let me get this. See, that's beeping back there. I'm waiting for the radio signal, but I cannot wait to get this up and running. Matter of fact, give me 1 second. All right, so this is gonna be on 2S. Listen to that. Oh, I forgot. It's the airboat. Gonna shoot it off my table. That was actually pretty powerful and good for this little small 2S lipo. So listen to this thing roar. Oh, that's gonna be so fun. Oh, I can't wait. I can run this probably on grass too. Probably some wet grass, but we're gonna see. You guys know I'm gonna try this, and we'll probably do a super speed Saturday on this as well. So I wanted to show this to you guys. This is so awesome. This is actually my first hobby grade boat, and that's the reason why I went ahead and we went to airboat with this. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome to run out there and run in different areas and stuff too, especially if we get some snow in Georgia. I can run this out there too, but I'm so excited to get this running. This will probably go with some of my G.I. Joe men. Here's one of my bats or battled Android Trooper G.I. Joe men. I'll probably do some photos with that on there as well. That is gonna be too cool. And I cannot wait to go ahead and build this trailer. Well, I said I'm gonna use the shipping box, and I'll try to do a video on that, to build a cheap trailer so that I can put this on, because a lot of people were trying to find these trailers and stuff. A lot of times you can make it really cheap, even in the box that the car actually comes in. If you use the box the car comes in, it's gonna be a little bit more flimsy and a little bit more easy to damage than the actual shipping box. But I'll try to do a video on that, because like I said, I'm just gonna take the shipping box. This sits about maybe this high. I'm gonna cut around the small edges of it so that we can still see the top of this, and basically paint the box, put some tape around it to secure it to make it stronger, and basically build a trailer from that point so my fire team can pull this around. And that's gonna look so awesome with the fire team pulling this around. But anyway, I wanted to show this to you guys. I know I'm not going too in depth with this because I've been kind of on vacation too as well. And I still got some more vacation I'm gonna be taking. Look at that. I can't wait to get this out. But I'll try to get this up and running as soon as possible. So there's a link in the description. You guys always ask me. There's always links in the description if you guys want to check this out and purchase it. And then we'll get this out running soon. Maybe I can get this running for a Super Speed Saturday. I think that'd be pretty awesome. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below with the like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.